Well, last week, Samsung relaunched the Galaxy Fold in Canada, which you saw first right here on our show. It's the smartphone with the folding screen. Well, another folding screen will soon become available to compete with it. And not only Samsung, but other manufacturers. Our tech expert, Mike Yanni, joins us this morning to explain why this phone is getting so much attention. And it's not the Motorola Razr, it's something else. Now I am intrigued. How are you, Mike?
I'm doing well. It's good to see you again. It's been a few weeks since I saw your smile.
I always love chatting with you, and I'm curious now about this one. Which one is it? Who is it? What is it? Come on.
Yeah, you know what? It's not the Motorola Razr, which a lot of people are also talking about. You know what? Smartphones with folding screens are all the buzz right now, right? Because it's something new. It's innovation. So
well,
take
and
a
if
look
it
at
works,
this one.
It reduces the size. Oh,
it does. It does. So this is interesting because number one thing you'll notice is the folding. The screen is on the outside when you fold the phone. But there's a trick. This is the reason why some people do this. Some companies do this. It's because it's less pressure on the screen, Roger. You know, the Galaxy Fold folds like a book and the screen's on the inside, so it's almost an actual fold. This is on the outside, so it doesn't have to fold quite as much.
Yeah,
so it's almost like
a
cutting
gentler
corners.
curve, right?
Exactly. So it's easier to produce. So the company behind this, they claim it has high enough specs. It's going to compete with Apple. It's going to compete with Samsung. They're going to get this to the market. It's called the Escobar Fold 1.
Okay.
Now think of that name.
I was looking at that. I'm like, is that Pablo Escobar on the front of it?
It is.
It's his brother, right, or something?
This is his brother. His brother is launching this phone to market. Get this. He says he wants to uphold the family name and keep the standards that the family is known for. Standards of what? I'm not exactly sure.
Wow.
Another interesting part here, they say they're going to cut costs. They're going to cut the retailers out. They're going to ship directly to the customer, so it comes in at a very affordable price.
So they have their own distribution set up. Oh, this is just getting...
Maybe they have some experience in that. I'm not sure.
They'll be coming in little submarines and things.
Exactly. Whether the phones are going to get across the border, I'm not too sure.
And when are they hoping to have this out in our country?
Shortly.
And it was,
it looks like it's being rushed to market, to be honest, but we'll see.
And are you going to get your hands on one?
I'm not even sure who to contact. Do you have any connections, Roger? Can you help me out?
I have no Colombian with the Escobar family. I have no Colombian connections. I mean, and you have to fly down and bring it back for them.
We'll work it out. We'll see if we can get a BT exclusive, hands-on.
It's very strange. Okay, we got to get the cat in quick, though.
Yeah. Do you have pets?
I do. Well, I have a son, so we have fish, lizards, salamanders. No cats.
No cats. Well, if you have a cat, this might be the ultimate gift for the cat that has everything. A robotic personal assistant for your cat. It's called Ebo. So it kind of dances around. It does its own thing. The cat's supposed to chase it. It has a laser pointer. It's got a camera. You can live stream your cat to social media. And get this. It's also a pedometer for your cat. It can actually sense the paw movements and how many steps that your cat takes or maybe doesn't take during the day, depending if it's lazy or not. They were actually looking for, Roger, $6,000 to bring this to market through Kickstarter. Guess how much they raised in a few days?
I'm gonna say something silly, 100K.
Almost $500,000.
Holy cow.
Almost $500,000. This thing apparently is going to hit the market now. Personal robotic assistant for your cat. What's next?
Personal robotic assistant for your dog. Just change the packaging.
Right. Maybe make it a little bit larger.
And away you go. All right, Mike, we got to go, sir. Those were two wonderful conversations we just had there. Have a great one, sir.
Thanks, Roger.
Cheers, man.